In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use epics in Jira. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to start an epic from your board and get it ready to organize related work items. First, make sure you're on your Jira project board. This is typically the main view where you see your to-do, in progress, and done columns. At the top of this page, in the global header, look for the Create button. This is the same button you'd normally use to create any new issue in Jira, like a task or a bug. Go ahead and click on Create to open the issue creation window. Once the Create panel opens, you'll see a form with several fields, such as Summary, Description, and Assignee. Near the top of this form, there's a drop-down or selector that indicates the type of work item you're about to create. This is usually pre-filled with something like task or story, depending on your project's default settings. Click on this work type field to open the list of available issue types. When the list appears, you'll see different options your project supports, like task, story, bug, and others. From this list, find and click on Epic. Selecting Epic tells Jira that this issue will act as a container or umbrella for multiple related tasks, rather than just one small piece of work. Once you select Epic, you may notice that some of the fields in the form change slightly to match what epics need, such as an epic name or color, depending on your Jira configuration. Now that epic is selected as the issue type, you can fill in the key fields. Give your epic a clear and concise summary that describes the bigger initiative, not just a single task. You can also add a description that explains the scope, goals, and any important context your team needs. This is helpful later when teammates decide which tasks should belong under this epic. Review any other fields your team uses, like components, labels, or priority, to keep your work organized and consistent. Once everything looks good, go down to the bottom of the Create window and click on the Create button. Jira will save your new epic and usually confirm that it's been created, either